And this is where they cut me open all the way to my palm.
It's been over a year since 19-year-old Bill Gibson mangled the left side of his body in a bone-crushing car accident.
I used to always say, what's more important than your physical ability? And now look at me.
When you have a child that's hurt and you're helpless and you can't help them, that's the most awful thing.
Bill's mother, Michelle, knew her son would no longer be as active or athletic as he once was.
When we first saw him in the emergency room, the question is, can he keep his arm?
But doctors found a way for Bill's mom to help him. It's a rare procedure called a living donor nerve transplant. Bill would use his mother's nerves.
There's like liver transplants and kidney transplants, stuff like that, but never heard of nerves.
In a 5-hour operation, surgeons take sural nerves from Bill and his mother. Bill's nerves alone weren't enough. These sensory nerves run along the calf, and removing them leaves small numb spots on the inner ankles. That bundle of nerves is transplanted to Bill's arm and acts as a pathway for Bill's nerves to regenerate. The hope is that one day he will move and feel. At 1 millimeter a day, nerve growing is a slow business, and transplants like these are uncommon. In the past, the nerves came from cadavers or from the patients themselves, but now nerves from living donors may dramatically increase the possibilities.
The conditions that you might use nerve transplantation in, typically it's accidents. Tumors that might involve a nerve, for facial reanimation where we make the face move again.
It's been more than 154 days now since Bill's transplant, and his nerve has probably regenerated about 150 millimeters or more than 5 inches. And with the help of physical therapy,
I do have more feeling. I have a little bit more movement in my hand. I can move my arm a lot more. My hand should start moving a lot more this month, so we'll see what happens.
The full impact won't be fully measurable until next summer. But for Bill, it will be a practice in patience.